What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a foam cannon. You guys, I am loving this little foam thing that's going on. It feels like it's trendy, but the detailers may have been using this probably forever. But to me, it's brand new. I like it because it feels like I'm actually doing something when I'm washing my car. There goes the company name. I believe the company name is MEKOH. There goes the specs right there for you. You can pause it. They have their attachments. I'll take it out the bag so y'all can see. There you go. You have your different attachment, your O-rings. So if you look at it, they didn't number the parts, but they just have what's there. So yeah, it would have been nice if they just put numbers on the parts on the top so you can match what is on the bottom. Give us a nice cleaning sponge. Here goes the top part of the cannon. Wow, and you know what? This is heavy. This is heavier than the other cannon that I have upstairs. Of course, you got the bottle, and wow, they give you a microfiber cloth. All right, so step one, it says connect the straw to the foam inlet. So this is the inlet right here, and this is your filter right here, just in case dirt and debris gets into your tank, you're not going to damage your gun. So this is very smart idea. Okay, so step two, it says fill soap water into the bottle and shake it to get your results. You buy a soap, whatever soap, car soap you use, look on the back. They will tell you like a certain ratio to mix in when you mix it in, because it don't really tell you a ratio to put in. I think I like this design more than the other one I have upstairs. Adjust the top knob to desired thickness of foam. All right, so this is your thickness of foam right here. On here, you can control your spray width. When you turn this, you control the width of your spray. All right, you guys, so the weather is good. I did get this soap from Walmart ages ago. I'm doing this for my homebody, you guys. Doing this for the people that's at home all the time and always into home stuff. I also want to let y'all know that right here is the connector style for this. I do have a Sunjoe. I will put the information on the Sunjoe that I have, but get some extra connections to this. If you get products that requires airflow, some of these connectors come in different sizes, okay? So let's see, it fits very well. We turned it on, we have our water on, and we are going to go ahead and test out this. Great, you guys. I forgot to put the windows up in my car. That was basically it. I got y'all at least 10 feet away, so I'm actually like 10 foot away, and you still can hit up your vehicle. So yes, even with like being 10 foot away, it has good reach. So that's pretty good, especially if you're a detailer. All right, now I'm just trying to make this loose right here. All right, so the more to the left I go, the less foamy it is. All right, now I'm gonna go to the right, more to the right. Let's see what happens when I go all the way to the right. And you see when I go all the way to the right, a whole lot of foam. All right, you guys, so let me clean the car, give y'all my final thoughts, and that will be it with this MEKOH. And stay tuned because I got the MEKOH hand pressure gun. But you guys, so I have about 300 milliliters of water right here. I'm gonna pour some soap in it. I don't know how much that was, but we poured some soap in it. So let's see how much 300 milliliters get us. All right, and here we go. 300 milliliters. Let's see how much that get us. And I'm doing max foam. Seven, eight. Oh, sorry. We was at 800 milliliters. Now we are down to 300 milliliters. So my bad. All right, you guys. And also, if you want to change your width of spray, you got to turn the head right here. And I'm gonna try not to get my camera, but let's see if y'all can see. So if you turn to the left, it spreads out more. So you get more spray out. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about this foam cannon, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm ready to wrap it up, start cleaning this car and be done with it. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe.